For tonight's show, Ardenne High from St. Andrew up against Munro College from St. Elizabeth. This is School's Challenge Quiz. Ardenne High is represented this evening by Kaif Bailey, Shantae Blackwood, Derice McKenzie, and team captain Kelsey Grant. While Munro College is represented this evening by team captain Kirkland Webb, Ronaldinho Henry, Daniel Reed, and Delano Mullings. Only one of these teams will move on to the semifinals. Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the second match in Friday's doubleheader TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu, and your judges are Dr. James Smith for the sciences and Teresa Easy for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. Do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Ardenne High won and decided to let Munro College go first. So we begin with Munro College. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so please may I have that time on the clock. And we begin, Munro, with mathematics. If 8% of a number is 14, then what is 36% of the same number?
4 times that? Yeah. 28, 56. Half of that. 63. 63!
That's right. Mathematics for Ardenne. Arrange these fractions in order of decreasing size. 6 over 11, 4 over 7, and 5 over 9.
Decreasing.
4 over 7, 6 over 11, and 5 over 9.
Incorrect. 4 over 7, 5 over 9, 6 over 11. International Affairs, a visual for Munro. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Alain Berset.
Alain Berset!
Alain Berset, that's right. President of Switzerland. International Affairs for Ardenne. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
John Magufuli.
That's right, President of Tanzania. History for Munro, who took over from Emperor Jean-Jacques Dessalines as President of Haiti.
1818. Henri Christophe.
Or King Henry I. That's right, Ardenne history. The Right Honourable Stanley Baldwin was Prime Minister of which country between 1935 and 1937?
Great Britain.
United Kingdom. Correct. Music and audio for Munro. Listen to the following clip and identify the duo. That's right, everyone falls in love sometimes. Music for Ardenne. Listen to the following clip and identify the artiste.
Secure.
That's right, unconditional love. Physics for Munro. What is the frequency in hertz if 4,320 waves pass a certain point in 3 minutes?
3 minutes, 180.
Divided. Hertz.
Alright.
Or per second.
So this is 24.
Hertz.
That's right, physics for Ardenne. An object travels at a uniform velocity of 25 meters per second west. What is the displacement of the object after 10 minutes?
600 times 25. So that's 1,200 and then 12 and then 1,200.
This is 18,000 meters.
I have 15,000 meters to the west. Incorrect. Theatre and cinema for Munro. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Audrey.
That's right, theatre and cinema for Ardenne. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Douglas Edwards.
Incorrect. Jeffrey Anderson Gunter. Spanish for Munro. Translate to English. Recibirás el dinero mañana por la mañana.
You will receive the money tomorrow.
Good.
That's correct. Tomorrow morning, judges. No, morning. They wanted morning. Translate to English, Ardenne. Ayer enviamos el libro de leyes al primer ministro.
Yesterday, we sent a book for you to read.
The law book to the Prime Minister. Sport a visual for Munro. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Thiago Silva. Thiago Silva.
Professional footballer. Correct. Sport for Ardenne. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Paulo Dybala.
Professional footballer. Literature for Munro. The novel The Hunger Games is written in the voice of which 16-year-old?
Katniss.
That's right. Literature for Ardenne. Name the 2002 book that analyzes the poetic value of Bob Marley's songs by Kwame Dawes.
Waiting in vain.
Incorrect. Bob Marley, lyrical genius. That bell signals the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Let's have a look at the scores. Munro College look to be on 8 points. Ardenne High on 4 points. It's time now for the Digicel viewer's question. Our second viewer's question comes from the category General Knowledge. The question is, the Gambia in West Africa is almost entirely surrounded by which country? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.